kids! Let's learn colours with fun ice cream trucks. Vroom vroom! Let's go! Here comes the red ice cream truck. Red like strawberries. Can you say red?
Red.
Yay! Great job! Here comes the blue ice cream truck. Blue like blueberries. Can you say blue?
Blue.
Yay! Great job! Here comes the yellow ice cream truck. Yellow like bananas. Can you say yellow?
Yellow.
Yay! Great job! Here comes the green ice cream truck. Green like grapes. Can you say green?
Green.
Yay! Great job! Here comes the pink ice cream truck. Pink like dragon fruits. Can you say pink? Yay! Great job! Here comes the orange ice cream truck. Orange like oranges. Can you say orange?
Orange.
Yay! Great job! Here comes the purple ice cream truck. Purple like jamuns. Can you say purple?
Purple.
Yay! Great job! Yay! You learned all the colors. Which ice cream truck was your favorite? Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Bye-bye.